Energy-efficient windows. Miami Beach are essential for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By investing in energy-efficient windows, Miami Beach residents can enjoy significant savings on their energy bills. Window insulation. Miami Beach is a crucial service for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Proper insulation helps prevent air leaks and enhances the overall efficiency of your windows. Miami Beach Window Insulation Services offer expert solutions to ensure your windows are properly sealed and insulated. Double-glazed windows, Miami Beach are a popular choice for those seeking enhanced thermal performance. These windows feature 2 panes of glass with a space in between, providing superior insulation compared to single-pane windows. Double-glazed windows are an excellent investment for Miami Beach homeowners looking to improve energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows. Miami Beach are designed to reflect heat and reduce UV exposure. These windows are coated with a special low-emissivity layer that helps keep interiors cooler and protects furnishings from fading. Low-E glass windows are a smart choice for Miami Beach residents seeking to enhance their home's energy efficiency. Window replacement services. Miami Beach offer a range of options for upgrading your windows. Whether you're looking to improve energy efficiency or update the look of your home, Miami Beach window experts can help you choose the best replacement windows for your needs. Window replacement. Miami is a valuable investment for any homeowner. Energy-efficient windows. Miami Beach are designed to reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. These windows feature advanced technologies that minimize heat transfer and improve insulation. By choosing energy-saving windows, Miami Beach residents can enjoy a more comfortable and cost-effective home. Thermal windows installation. Miami is a service that provides homeowners with high-performance windows designed to enhance energy efficiency. Thermal windows are engineered to reduce heat loss and improve insulation, making them an ideal choice for Miami Beach homes. Professional installation ensures optimal performance and longevity. Impact-resistant windows. Miami Beach are essential for protecting homes from severe weather conditions. These windows are designed to withstand high winds and flying debris, providing peace of mind for Miami Beach residents. Impact-resistant windows are a wise investment for those living in hurricane-prone areas. Window installation experts. Miami provide professional services to ensure your windows are installed correctly and efficiently. Proper installation is crucial for maximizing the performance and longevity of your windows. Miami Beach residents can rely on experienced window installation experts for quality service.